Welcome to English in Action. Today you are going to learn 10 important phrasal verbs. Let's get started. You'll watch a mini story for each phrasal verb first. Then I'll explain the meaning and give you 2 examples.
Hi, I'm Sophia. And this is Jack. We got married 2 years ago, but things got really hard. In the end, we broke up.
Break up. Break up means to end a relationship. The first example is, they broke up after many arguments, but they still respect each other. And the second example, I was heartbroken when we broke up, but later I realized it was better for both of us. Hi, I'm Sarah, and last month I didn't have enough money for rent. I was sitting on the floor trying not to cry when my sister Mina sent a small amount of money with a message, "Count on me until you stand again."
Count on. Count on means to depend on or trust. The first example is, you can count on me to help you when you feel stressed. The second example is, I can't count on him anymore. He promises a lot but doesn't show up.
I'm Maya, and last year I thought nobody remembered my birthday. I acted like I didn't care, but it hurt. Then I came home and found out they were all waiting for me, lights off, so quiet, and my name on a cake.
Find out. Find out means to discover or to learn a fact. The first example is, I found out it was her birthday, so I bought a small gift. The second example is, he opened the email and found out he got accepted.
I'm Lily. One day, my phone was at 1%, and I was waiting for my mom's reply. Then my battery ran out, and my heart dropped. A second later, my mom walked in and hugged me. No words, just relief.
Run out of means to have nothing left or to finish. The first example is, we ran out of milk, so I went to the store late at night. The second example is, my phone ran out of battery right when I needed to call my mom.
Hi, I'm Emma. The first day at the gym hurt so much that I wanted to give up. I was breathing hard and thinking, I can't do this. But I didn't give up. Now I've lost weight, my body feels stronger, and I'm proud of myself.
Give up. Give up means to stop trying or to quit. The first example is, I wanted to give up, but I tried one more time and finally passed. The second example is, don't give up on yourself. Small steps every day make a big difference.
I'm Chloe. I started to work out because I wanted to feel healthier and more confident, and I began to love my strength, not just my shape.
Workout. Workout means to exercise or to have a good result. The first example is, I work out 3 times a week, so I feel stronger and healthier. The second example is, we had a problem, but we talked calmly and everything worked out.
I'm Daniel. I put off going to the doctor. I kept telling myself, next week, then next month. When I finally went, the doctor looked at me kindly and said, I'm glad you came.
Put off. Put off means to delay or to postpone. The first example is, I put off going to the doctor for months because I was scared. The second example is, don't put off your homework. Tomorrow you'll feel more stressed.
I heard a tiny sound outside my window. A small cat was walking, so I let it in. That night, my room felt less lonely.
Let in. Let in means to allow to enter. The first example is, I forgot my keys, so I knocked and asked my roommate to let me in. The second example is, it was raining, so she let the little cat in and gave it food.
I went into an old house and saw a ghost. I got scared and I ran away.
Run away. Run away means to escape or to leave quickly. The first example is, the dog got scared by the loud noise and ran away. The second example is, I saw something creepy in that old house, so I ran away.
My mom was working, cooking, and smiling like nothing was wrong. I didn't know how she could keep up every day. That night, I hugged her and said, I love you.
Keep up. Keep up with means to stay at the same level or not to fall behind. The first example is, I can't keep up with this class. The teacher speaks too fast. The second example is, he walks so quickly that I struggle to keep up with him.